The patient's weight is 95 pounds. How many milligrams would the nurse administer per dose? So, relevant information, relevant information, relevant information, and relevant information. We're going to milligram per dose. If milligram per dose is where you're going, so milligram will be on top of your equation. So where is that information supplied? It's right here. You have 1 milligram, that's how you write this down, per kilogram per dose. Do we need any equivalent? Do we need any conversion? Yes, because here we have to give 1 milligram per kilogram per dose, but the patient weight is 95 pounds. So we need to convert pounds to kilogram. What does the metric table say? For 1 kilogram, we get 2.2. Patient weight is 95 pounds over 1. There's nothing else. You set it up in a way where things will cancel things out. Pounds cancel pounds. Kilogram cancel kilogram. We're looking for milligram per dose. We have left milligram per dose. If you multiply everything on the top, everything at the bottom, you divide them out. What do you have per dose? So how many milliliter will the nurse administer? The weight is this. What you have on hand is this. And what you need to administer has to be 10 milligram per kilogram per dose. You're going for milliliter. You put it there. If milliliter is where we're going, milliliter will be the top on your equation. Where do we find that information? It is supplied right here. This is what you have on hand. For 5 ml, I have 120 milligram. Do we need any equivalent? Yes, because your patient is in pound. We need to give it 10 kilogram per dose. First, what's your order? Your order is what? 10 milligram, if you want, per kilogram per dose. This is a 4-step equation. And then we have to convert pounds to kilo. So per 1 kilo, we have 2.2 pounds. What's the patient weight? 25 pounds. 1. This is a 4-step equation. You can do the conversion first and then you put the order after, vice versa. It's still going to give you the right number as long as you place everything correctly. So the appropriate unit cancel each other out. Milligram cancel milligram, kilogram cancel kilogram, and then pounds cancel pounds. What do you have left? Milliliter per dose. You multiply everything on the top, everything at the bottom, then you divide it out. You should get about 500.3 ml per dose. The patient weight is 198 pounds. How many milligrams would the nurse administer with each dose? This is your order. And the patient weight is this, and you're going for milligram. Do we need to do any conversion? Yes, because the patient is in pounds and we need to give kilogram per day, divided equally every 12 hours. So where we're going, milligram. Milligram would be on top, right? So 15 milligram per kilogram per day times 1 kilo, we have 2.2 pounds. Patient weighs 198 pounds. Pounds cancel pounds. Kilogram cancel kilogram until we have left milligram per day. Multiply everything on the top, everything at the bottom. You should get about 1,350 milligrams. Are we done? We're not done, right? Because the question tells you divide it equally every 12 hours. It means we have to divide this by 2 because the day has 24 hours. So your answer would be 675 milligrams per dose.